case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Utah Supreme Court heard an intriguing and contentious case in 1984 called Crane v. Crane. It pivoted on an ancient legal principle. If a property is used by someone for an extended period of time, they may establish a right to continue using it. Additionally, individuals within a group can have their own right to use a property, but the group collectively can't sell or own property without explicit permissions. At the heart of the case was a bitter dispute between a landowner and an unincorporated grazing association over an easement allowing the latter to herd their cattle across the former's terrain. The grazing association maintained they had inherited this right due to extensive usage, while the defendants argued such use never received proper authorization. Instances of the association allegedly cutting fences to allow passage of their livestock heightened the court's intrigue. As an unincorporated entity, it employed riders to shepherd their cattle across the defendant's property to reach approved grazing territories. They presented it as a matter-of-fact routine, a usual part of their operations. But was it enough to grant them a legal right to do so? An easement by prescription to move their cattle through the defendant's land? Initially, the district court, ruling in the association's favor, dictated they possess this easement. This was later reaffirmed by the appeal court. The courts didn't dispute the facts, but rather the interpretations of those facts and their lawful implications. However, the higher court made a noteworthy amendment to the initial ruling. It decreed the easement in gross could only stand alongside the duration of valid grazing permits. The ruling also specified that the easement by prescription was limited to allowing passage for 150 cattle in spring. Each party was required to shoulder their own legal expenses. In the end, the complex litigation shed ample light on the labyrinthine twists and turns of property law, and how organizations, regardless of incorporation status, must navigate them with due diligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.